The city of Batumi, one of the most important cities in Georgia, has been chosen to host the Alphabetic Tower, a building that rises itself as a symbol of strength and light, which are the essence of the Georgian culture. Batumi, a coastal city by the Black Sea, hosts the largest harbour in Georgia. This makes it especially important since business, tourism and culture converge in this city. The Alphabetic Tower symbolizes this convergence. Professors Alberto Domingo and Carlos Lázaro, leading a remarkable team at CMD Ingenieros, give birth to a new international engineering and architectural landmark, the Alphabetic Tower. This 130-meter-high tower, which affords superb views, has been carefully designed to the very last detail. The idea first emerged by the President Mikhail Saakashvili to honor and introduce to the world the richness and uniqueness of Georgian culture through Georgian alphabet Abani. The Alphabetic Tower consists of two ring-shaped structures, an interior and an exterior one, crowned by a large glass sphere of 30 meters in diameter. The inner ring consists of 8 columns and is braced to the outer ring by cables forming a star-shaped structure. The outer ring is made up of 8 main and 8 secondary columns, braced one another by a series of hollow circular sections, thus providing the structure with the necessary properties to support the glass sphere. The inner ring hosts 2 main panoramic lifts, which afford superb views. 2 helixes rising from the ground to the equator of the glass sphere rest on the outer ring. These helixes are made of a substructure, which is attached to the outer ring, and an aluminium expanded mesh covering this substructure like a very light and resistant steel skin. The most symbolically relevant element of the tower, the one it has been named after, rests on these helixes, the letters of the Georgian alphabet. They run up along each helix, 33 letters on each one, 66 letters that represent a real ode to the originality and singularity of this alphabet, which is unique in the world. Each letter has been created from a 4-meter frame, which has been made of a material that is known as composite aluminium. These frames, designed with every letter of the alphabet, have a series of perimeter holes that let the light inside the frame go out, thus lighting the outline of every letter. The glass sphere crowning the tower is its functional center. This structure lies on the 8 main columns of the outer ring by means of a single-layer structural system, thanks to the design and construction of which the sphere can stand by itself. The sphere consists of a hollow circular section structure, which is covered by 2-meter triangular glass elements. This light space hosts several rooms distributed on different floors within the sphere. The first floor is called transfer floor. It can be reached through the 2 main panoramic lifts to access the other lifts in order to go to the other floors in the sphere. The second floor hosts a television studio next to the kitchen of a restaurant that is on the 3rd floor, which has been designed like a revolving ring. This ring, which goes around 360 degrees an hour, offers visitors a panoramic view of the city of Batumi and the Black Sea, while they are enjoying their meal. The 4th floor has been conceived as an observatory deck to enjoy the unique views from the Alphabetic Tower. This floor leads to a 5th one, which has been designed to allow visitors to see how the tuned mass damper works. The tuned mass damper is a 50-ton pendulum designed to counteract the movements produced by the wind for the sake of comfort. This ambitious and inspiring project represents the effort of both a country and a city to express the magnificence, strength, and light of the Georgian culture.